Hello there! In this video we will be adding a headless content management system, Storyblock, to our previously created headless commerce application. Let's just jump into it! In our previous tutorial we have created this nice looking headless commerce application. In the middle we can see this banner with a text, "Find the best products on the market." It looks good, but it is definitely too static, if you know what I mean. Wouldn't it be great to be able to dynamically change the content of this banner? This is exactly what we will do today. We will add Storyblock to our application so that we will be able to dynamically change the content of our banner to basically do whatever we want with it. To add Storyblock to our headless commerce application, the first thing we need to do is to actually install both Storyblok Nuxt and Axios packages. Next, we will register the module in our nuxt.config.ts file. In order to make the module work as expected, we would also need to add the Storyblock configuration with the access token. As the access token, we will use the environment variable that we will add in a second. I have added this Storyblock access token environment variable to our .env file. Right here. Now we will make our hero banner component more dynamic. We'll open up the hero banner.view file. We will add a script tag here with a setup and lang ts, and inside of it we will add a props. We will define 3 props: title, subtitle, and the image. Next, we will modify the image here so that the image source isn't static and it equals to image, and it's a dynamic prop. We will also get rid of this h1 here and we will replace it with a title, and we also get rid of this on the market span and we will replace it with subtitle. The last thing we need to do here is we have to fetch the data from Storyblock to our homepage. In our script section, we will add a new variable, const story, and it will equal to await use Storyblock, which is a composable from Storyblock package. As a param, we will pass a name of the content page we want to fetch. In our case, it will be home. And we will also pass some Storyblock options. In this case, we will only pass an object with a property version that equals to draft. Next, in our hero banner component here, we see that we have an error. It is caused by the fact that we have defined the props in our component that are all required and we have not passed them here. So what we'll do right now, we'll pass those 3 title, image, and subtitle props to our hero banner component. As you can see, we have the title, the subtitle, and the file name of the image. And this is a bit different than what we used before, because in Storyblock we will define our image as an asset instead of a plain string. And because of that, Storyblock will transfer this image into an object, and we will be able to access the file by going image.filename. Let's run the project and see if it works. Before we check if our application is working, let's configure a few steps in our Storyblok admin dashboard. To get the Storyblock access token, head into Settings, API Keys, and here you will have the access token that will be needed in our application. To display our dynamic hero banner, I have created a new component here called Hero Banner, and I added 4 fields: ID, title, subtitle, and the image. The first 3 are a regular plain text, but the 4th one is an image. The final step here is to go to Content and our homepage. And as you can see here, we don't have the banner yet. We need to add the component first. Let's add some data to the component. Let's click Save and Publish and refresh the page. As you can see, we have the banner here with the text "Find the best products on the market." But thanks to Storyblock content management system, we can also modify the content on the fly.